When people talk about becoming rich, they mention real estate, transportation, importation, and technology. But how often do you hear someone say they became successful through landscaping? Probably never. Yet, every beautiful estate, hotel, office complex, school, and luxury home depends on landscaping. So, here is the question. Can you actually build wealth through landscaping? Or is it simply another low-income service business? The answer might completely change how you see this industry. The hidden business nobody talks about. Imagine owning a house worth 1 million Ghana cedis. Will you spend thousands constructing it and then leave the compound looking neglected? Most property owners won't. That's why landscaping exists. Landscaping is not just about cutting grass. It's about increasing property value. It is about creating beauty. It's about making a property attractive. And where there is value, there is money. The moment many people miss. Most people focus on building houses. Very few focus on what happens after construction. After builders leave, the grass continues growing. Trees need maintenance. Flowers need replacement. Lawns need care. And somebody gets paid to do it. Month after month, year after year. How landscaping creates recurring income. Many businesses must constantly find new customers, but landscaping is different. A hotel doesn't want its compound maintained once. It needs maintenance every month. A gated community doesn't hire landscapers for 1 week. It needs regular service. A school compound must remain clean throughout the year. This means one customer can generate income repeatedly, and recurring income is one of the foundations of business growth. The real wealth formula. Let's think bigger. A landscaping business can earn money from multiple services: grass cutting, flower installation, tree planting, garden design, irrigation systems, estate maintenance, plant sales, decorative stone installation. Each service becomes another source of revenue. Instead of relying on one income stream, the business creates several. Why Ghana creates more opportunities? Across Ghana, new houses are built every day. New estates are emerging, hotels are expanding, commercial properties continue to grow. As property development increases, demand for landscaping often grows alongside it. Many people see the building. Few people notice the business opportunities surrounding the building. Landscaping is one of those opportunities. The biggest challenge. Building wealth through landscaping is not automatic. Competition exists. Equipment costs money. Workers must be managed. Customers expect quality. Success requires consistency. Many people start. Fewer people build systems. And those systems often determine who grows and who struggles. The question you should ask yourself. Perhaps the real question isn't whether landscaping creates wealth. Perhaps the question is, can you build a business that solves a problem people are willing to pay for repeatedly? because that is exactly what landscaping does. Every beautiful property requires maintenance. Every growing estate requires management. Every attractive compound requires care, and somebody gets paid to provide that service. The next time you pass a beautiful hotel, a luxury home, or a well-maintained estate, don't just admire the landscape. Ask yourself, who is maintaining it? Who owns that business? And how much value are they creating every single month? Because sometimes wealth isn't hidden in industries everybody talks about. Sometimes it's hidden in opportunities most people overlook. Do you believe landscaping can create wealth in Ghana? Would you start a landscaping business? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to Ghana Business TV for more business opportunities, real estate insights, and wealth creation content from Ghana and across Africa.